Hello and welcome to FourCornersTV.com. I'm Ayla Quinn and this is the local roundup. Raindrops keep falling on our heads and you can see today is starting to be just as stormy as yesterday was. Though this storm didn't do as much damage as last weekend's rains, the total rainfall was 1 inch. Montezuma and Dolores counties also got drenched, and a dusting of snow was seen on the Silverton Peaks. Break out your raincoats and boots, autumn weather is officially here. Friday was an exciting day in Durango regarding retail marijuana sales.
It's a very exciting day for the people of Durango and La Plata County, as well as for myself and my business partner.
Though the excitement was short-lived when the Marijuana Enforcement Division closed Durango Organics and Wellness Center on Saturday. Why? The shop didn't test its product's THC potency. With a minor road bump, Durango Organics is expected to reopen sometime this week. As THC potency is being tested, you should test to make sure your pints are not being shorted. This doesn't seem to be that serious of a dilemma, however it is. Bottom line, beer is a big deal. In the United States, a pint is 16 ounces, while in Canada, a pint is 20 ounces. And in Canada, if the establishment doesn't follow what a pint pour should be, it can result in a fine. But if you decide to partake in some Guinness drinking at the Irish Embassy, the imported Guinness glasses are 20 ounces. Now, when you get your next pint, you know how to not get shorted. A demographic that isn't shorting themselves on alcohol consumption, the American drinker. 10% of the American drinkers on average consume 74 alcoholic drinks per week. This sounds like an outrageous number, so to break it down, it comes out to 10 drinks per day. If these numbers concern you, the stats mellow out, showing that 30% of American adults don't drink at all, while another 30% consume on average less than 1 drink per week. It's good to know that the majority of Americans drink responsibly. There was definitely a lot of beer flowing over the weekend. Oktoberfest was in full swing this weekend in Durango. If you didn't get a chance to wear your lederhosen, you missed out. We will have all the highlights today on In the Neighborhood, and that's at 3 p.m. right here on FourCornersTV.com. And if you were out walking this weekend, you may have seen the popular everyday convenience store mural get refreshed. Big Brothers Big Sisters of Southwest Colorado, Boys and Girls Club of La Plata County, and La Plata Youth Services gathered to work with artist Aaron Schmidt. Good thing the weekend started out beautiful before the rains came in. Thanks for watching the local roundup on FourCornersTV.com. I'm Ayla Quinn, and we'll see you tomorrow.